Hey homeowners, in this video we're going to find out whether or not your old outlets are potentially dangerous for babies. Quick warning, do not try this at home. This is extremely dangerous and it could hurt you or kill you. I am a licensed electrician and I know what I'm doing. Please do not try this at home, ever. See how old outlets are not tamper resistant. A study was done that discovered toddlers were able to pull out those plug-in safety devices that people use on their outlets. And because of that, the industry came up with what's called tamper-resistant plug outlets. And these things are much safer. Let's just say, for whatever reason, maybe you have a hanger lying around. Who knows? Or maybe you might have a pair of scissors lying around. You could even have a pair of keys lying around. Or what if one day someone dropped a fork and you have a fork lying around? Maybe you enjoy chopsticks and they're metal and they're lying around. All of these items are dangerous and could potentially shock someone if they stick them in there. This is a pen tester. It checks for voltage. We're going to use these electrical insulated gloves to make sure we don't get shocked during this demonstration. Now let's just say for whatever reason, someone picks up this chopstick. The plug is live. The chopstick is not live. But now it is. Now look, I found a pair of scissors on the ground. And for some odd reason, I'm going to stick it in this hole. And now if I'm holding this metal, I get shocked. This clothes hanger too. Let's try it out. If you touch this clothes hanger right now, you will get shocked if you're grounded. Very popular item, pair of keys, were dropped on the ground. Little kid picks it up. For some strange reason, sticks it in the hole. You're now getting shocked. And hey, if you're looking for a pen tester with a flashlight on it, or you're looking for a pair of gloves that are insulated for electricians, or for any of your DIY projects, go ahead and click on the link below. We are an affiliate program, so we get a small commission, and you can order them yourselves. So this is a tamper-resistant outlet. It has a TR marking. Sometimes the TR marking is up high on a different one, on a different company. That stands for tamper-resistant, which means inside here, if you can see it, there is a plastic insert that protects something metal from going inside and touching the live parts. Tamper-resistant outlets are required by the National Electrical Code. And so if you have an older home, you may not have tamper-resistant outlets installed. You can go to www.gilhausen.company to see if we have a licensed electrician near you to have these installed in your home. At Gilhausen, we're here to help you take care of your home. If you found this video helpful, be sure to click the like. And if you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Same thing is possible with the fork. Let's check it out. Dang it, it's not possible. Can't stick it in there. Okay, we'll omit that.